Look how cute this cake is, and I'm gonna show you how you can fill, crumb coat, and frost like a pro.
Yeah.
So cute.
Wow.
This one was just.
So this part is going to have a voiceover because I am still practicing on how to teach you while speaking at the same time. So because I feel like the decorating part needs a little bit more verbal direction and a little bit more details. Also, you might have noticed I switched to a smaller 4-inch cake instead of a 3-inch, but that's okay because this one is the same idea, same technique, just a smaller cake. So I just have to put the final coat of frosting for this cake, and then we're going to move on to me showing you how to put a piping bag together. You're just gonna fold it over your hands like this, like a little cone. Okay, and then you take your piping tip and then just drop it right inside. Push it to the bottom. I'm gonna open it back up, take your colored frosting, and then just scrape it into the bag. And then pull the edges back up. And then I like to use a straight edge to kind of just push the frosting down into the piping bag. Snip off the edge, and now my piping bag is ready. In a counterclockwise motion, you're gonna make the buttercream rosettes. You might want to practice this on like a plate or something on the side before you put it directly onto the cake. Now, this part is optional, but if you have some really cute sprinkles, this would be the time to put them on. The sprinkles will stick onto buttercream that has not chilled yet a lot better. Now, for the bottom border of the buttercream, you can do a shell shape like I did, or you can do another set of rosettes. Rosettes are going to be kind of hard to do at the bottom, so I recommend for beginners to do shells instead. And again, we're going to put on the sprinkles before we chill the cake, so it looks so cute and sticks properly. And yay, you did it! We did it! It's so cute and I love the little petite size. Again, this is a 4-inch cake. I did think I was missing a little something. So this part is optional, just like the sprinkles. I decided to put on some butterfly wafers. Follow Sparkle Cakery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!